Hello students, in this video we will learn about properties of multiplication of whole number. See, first one, closure property. As you know, if A belongs to whole numbers, A is a whole number and again B is a whole number, then their product should be a whole number. So A cross B should be a whole number. Whole number, closure property says that, and it will be, should be, instead of should be we can write here will be a whole number. See how, if we are taking A and B as a two whole number, we can take A is equal to 5, B is equal to 7. So what will be the product? A into B means 5 into 7, that will be equal to 35. Again 35 is a whole number, means closure property holds good for multiplication of whole numbers, means always there will be a whole number if we are multiplying two or more than two whole numbers. Now come to commutative property. What is the commutative property? That says A into B should be equal to B into A. Again we can take same example. Suppose A's value is 5 and B's value is 7 and it should be equal to 7 into 5. Now we can check 5 7 ja 35 and 7 5 ja 35, means by reversing order there will be no change in product. So it holds, commutative property holds good for multiplication of whole numbers. Now come to the associative property, that is A into B into C should be equal to A into B into C, bracket in last two numbers. Now you can check by taking an example. Suppose A is equal to 2, B is equal to 1 and C is equal to 3. Now check, A's value will be 2, B's value is 1 and C's value is 3. Now check what will be the product. 2 1 ja 2 and 2 3 ja 3 2 ja 6. Like this we can write. This is with the left hand side value. Right hand side value you can check 2 into, at the place of A we will write 2 into 1 into C's value is 3. So 2 into 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, means value of left hand side and value of right hand side is equal, means it is true. Hence we can say associative property holds good for the multiplication of whole numbers. Here commutative property also holds good and here closure property also. Now properties of 0. So what will be if we will multiply 0 with a whole number? See, A into 0, if 0 is a whole number, if we will multiply A into 0 or 0 we will multiply with A, our answer will be always 0. Means if any whole number is there, or for each whole number it will be, if we will multiply it with 0, our result will be 0. Like 5 into 0, what will be answer? 0. Or if we are writing 0 into 5, what will be answer? 0. This is the property of 0 in whole number in case of multiplication. Now property of 1. If we are multiplying a whole number with 1, or if we are multiplying 1 with a whole number, then the number will remain same itself. See how we can understand this. Suppose take any whole number, at the place of A we are taking 2. 2 into 1 we will write, it will be always 2. Or if we are writing 1 into 2, it will be again 2. Means result will be always a number itself. That is the property of 1. This you will remember. Or here this you will remember that 0 is called additive identity in case of addition of the whole number. You know that if we are adding 0 to any whole number like 2 plus 0, it will remain 0, or 0 plus 2, it will remain 2 only. So 0 is additive identity here. Or here you will see that 1 is multiplicative identity. 1 is here multiplicative identity. Why? Because if we are multiplying a whole number with 1, value is remaining same only. So now come to distributive property. Distributive property we can categorize in two ways, one in addition and one in case of subtraction. So in addition it is A into B plus C, or in subtraction it will be A into B minus C. Now see what will be our result if we are multiplying this one. So what we will do, this we will multiply, bracket is here means it will be multiplied with B also and it will be multiplied with C also. So we can write it as A into B it was, so we will write A into B like this, A into B. Now what sign is there? Plus sign we will write. Now A into C it will be, A into C, like this we can write. Same way, first A will be multiplied with B, so we can write A into B inside bracket. Now which sign is minus sign? Again this A will be multiplied with C, so it will be A minus A into C, like this we can write. Means A cross B plus C, A into B plus C will be equal to A into B plus A into C. This you will remember. Or in case of A into B minus C, it will be A into B minus A into C. This will be helpful for solving the questions related to there is many questions in our exercise. So first understand this much.